To use timer or countdown on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button just right here and then go down to clocks. Then select timer. From here you will be able to set the minute, but if you want to set it into hours, you can use the back button to set hours. So let's say 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 50 seconds from now, I want to have an alarm. So I press the select button just right here, and then actually you can see it's 15:48, and my timer is for 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 50 seconds. And once I start it, well, you see the time, the full time of the timer. You got the actual time, and the time remain on the timer. You can reset it, of course, if you want. You will have to stop it before. So reset, option, and let's change that time to something shorter, just to show you that when you start that timer, you see up here, you have a black circle that will reduce to white to show you on a 100% graph or a 360-degree graph where you are in that timer. So yes, it's pretty much that's it for the timer. If you come here into the option, you got the option to change that time. You can also save that time, or you can enable restart to on or off, or use the sound. So do you want to have tone and vibe, or you want to have nothing, or maybe just tone or just vibe? If I set the restart to on and I set it to something again even shorter at I don't know, 5 seconds, and I start it, but it's already restarting. See, it's going in circle. And I'm gonna stop this because it's gonna drive me crazy. Off. And now it's pretty much that's it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.